Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I couldn't resist. I just got to do another video about GameStop. And if I keep laughing throughout it, this is just awesome. I, not in this account, bought two or three shares in my retirement. I think made like 100 or 150. I just couldn't hold them, but this one, I had like $80, I think, left over, and so I threw it at it and see what happens, and I just had too many other money tied up in penny stocks. If you've been following my channel, you can see my penny stock videos, but this is just such a kick in the crotch to the hedge funds. I just don't know where to begin. I've never seen anything like this. Like I told you in my other video, I've never touched this stock. I mean, I hear people talk about it all the time up until all this stuff happened, but I never wanted to touch it for whatever reason, and now I wish I would have. But there's just endless information out there that I've been finding, and I've read where people had the stock or did the options and paid off their school loans, paid their mortgage. I've heard on the flip side, people are taking out loans against their home to invest into this. I'm like, I don't know where it's going to end. So there's GameStop, there's AMC that I've been dying to get out of forever. And it looks like it did come down. I'm still ahead on that one, but as you can see, I got 5 shares here in this account. I have more in a retirement account that I've had for a couple years. This is another one. I just did a video about this a day or two ago. This one I didn't look at today, but you could have got this for $1 a couple days ago, and wow, this just cracks me up. I mean, the more I read about it, I've just been laughing my ass off here for the last hour reading stuff about this, and it's just, I mean, look at this one. Koss, $3.50, $5, I mean, 11, and then it's 50. I mean, what is this? Manufacture and sale of stereo, headphones, and accessories. I thought it was a clothing store, but now that's right. Here's another one that I want to get out of, and I just don't know when to sell, because I'm hearing all kinds of things. I mean, my cost basis on it, I think, is like, I don't know, $18, $20. And so I threw $10 into this one today. It was up a little bit more, but I was like, oh, I can't resist. And BlackBerry, I screwed this one up. I think this is it. Let's see. I've never bought BlackBerry before, but yes. So I bought it at $20.98, and then I set a stop limit on it because I had too many other things going on, and I was like, oh, I don't want to lose it. And so I set that. And then I got pissed and saw it sold, I think like right in here somewhere. And then of course it did this, and I wanted to get back in, but I was like, no, this one, for whatever reason, I just didn't have a good feeling about it. I don't know, I've contemplated buying this one in the past just for a 5G play, and I believe they do something with autonomy. I'd have to read it again. And I've toyed with the idea of doing a video about BlackBerry, and then this happens, but I'm going to be watching it again tomorrow, so this is another one, NAKD. I've thought about buying in. I thought I had this one, but I think I was thinking of some other ticker, but look at this one today. I mean, 45 cents. You could have got it 40 cents here just 2 days ago, and it's $2.21. 300%. NAKD, and this is another one that I kind of lost faith in, and I wonder if the retailers are pushing this one up. When was that? Yesterday, I was going to buy in, I know it went down to 39 cents at some point in time, and I was thinking about buying in, but then this happened today, so I was like, sweet, and good on that one, but, so maybe I'll hold that one, and this is another one that I heard that might get pumped. GNUS brands. I would love to get rid of this one as well. I have more of this one in a retirement account, and hopefully this one just keeps getting pumped. And I thought about buying more here on the dips, just a dollar cost average out of this thing, but I didn't do the math to see you'd have to buy quite a bit, as you see my cost basis here. What was the other one that I heard? Did we check AMC? I think we checked AMC. Yep. That one went down a little bit, so hopefully that one goes back up tomorrow. This SKT, I'm not sure what this one is. So, again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, but if these are going to continue to pump, it's up to you, and I might try to do some more buying tomorrow. I mean, this is just too tempting. I've also heard, I got an alert on my phone today that Biden administration is watching GameStop, and I want to say AMC, but I can't remember what the other one was, but GameStop for sure, but maybe that other one will come to me. Dillard's, I didn't check into that one. But this article I thought was pretty interesting here. GameStop surge leaves U.S.-based mutual fund and ETFs behind. A handful of exchange-traded funds appear to be among the largest institutional winners from the more than 360 percent rally in shares of GameStop Corp. So far this week, the video game retailer remains at the center of a showdown between retail investors and short-selling hedge funds. Oh, that's just awesome. So it sounds like the ETF is doing great. As you can see, it's up 16%. Feel free to pause the video and read that. I got too much other information to go on. Sorry, but I just can't laugh at some of this. It's about time that the retailers stick together, and who knows when this will end. I mean, sticking it to the hedge funds. They've been sticking it to the retail for who knows how long. But this talks about Cohen Fund. Suffers a 15% loss amid GameStop frenzy. And, I mean, he's a billionaire, so... yeah, I'm sorry to say, big deal. Has suffered more than a 15% loss this year due to a sudden surge in the shares of video game retailer GameStop, and on and on. I don't have to read the rest to you here, but manages nearly $19 billion in assets. So I wonder exactly how much of a loss he did take, but... and right there, it soared 700% over the past 2 weeks. I've heard, I think GameStop set new records for trading. I know Robinhood was shut down. I heard TD Ameritrade was shut down a couple times. And I think they even halted GameStop and AMC or some other one, which I hope they don't do that tomorrow, because they might ditch both of them. We'll have to wait and see. But GameStop's wild ride has even Indian retail traders joining it. I mean, it's going across the world. It's everybody's checking it out. India's day traders are strapping in for GameStop Corp ride that takes equity markets by storm. And I mean, feel free to pause it and read the rest We were not expecting Indians would be on Reddit reading about GameStop. I've been laughing about this stuff for the last hour. I shouldn't, but I find it hilarious. If you find it funny, comment. If you think it's totally, I can't think of the word. There's been so many people speculating about it, but it's made some millionaires. Like I said, I've heard of people paying off their loans, their houses. I just watched a video about Chamath making like $500,000 and donating it. I can't remember where he donated it to, but that was in a day. So, if they can do it, why can't we? So, stick together and keep sticking it to them. Wall Street Bets gets shoutouts from Cuban, Portney, Musk, AOC. Who's saying what? Reddit forum responsible for the rally in GameStop up 136.41%, and multiple other stocks is getting ample support on social media after it briefly went private on Wednesday. This discussion board was also taken off a Discord service the same day. So, Nokia is another one. Just be careful with these tomorrow. Like I said, I got an alert on my phone that said the Biden administration is checking into this, and I'm sure it's going to be watched really heavily tomorrow. But I've also heard these are just going to be pumping. They're just going to be pumping the beep out of them again tomorrow. So, and Friday. I heard there was something about options that are supposed to expire, and that could even have a wild ride. So, it's amazing. Celebrities, politicians, investors, and executives are clamoring to the defense of Wall Street Bets and highlighting and perceived unfairness of the situation. And here's what they're saying. So he posted on Twitter. Barstool Sports owner prophesied that tomorrow we will be intergalactic for the stocks of AMC, GameStop, Nokia. The Reddit frenzy pushed the stocks of these three companies 301.21%. We'll just call that 135 and 39% higher respectively on Wednesday. Although after the forum went private, the stock saw declines in after-hours session of 26%, 15%, and 9%. Disclosed that they had over $1 million in both AMC and Nokia, and admitted he was getting hit a little bit right now since they took out Wall Street Bets. Wow. My prediction is tomorrow will be intergalactic for AMC, GameStop, and Nokia. But BlackBerry, I heard it was supposed to hit like $15 tomorrow, or maybe it's Nokia, or both of them. People are talking AMC hitting $50. I've heard 1,000 on GameStop. I already talked about this. I believe Elon Musk and Discord gone corpo after it takes down Wall Street Bets. Musk expressed his disappointment with Discord after the platform took down Wall Street Bets from its platform. And as you know, he did his tweet that I went over in my other video. It just said game stonks, and the company said the action didn't have any relation to Wall Street Bets' role in the surge of GameStop's corp stock. So I've heard all kinds of things, like GameStop, Bed and Bath & Beyond. There's another one. They say they, might sell some of it and redo their business. I mean, it could bring new life back to the business as people were shorting it and basically wanting to shut it down. And there's the tweet, GameStonk. And other stocks seeing short squeeze interest off of the Reddit community tanked in after-hours session Wednesday after Discord's action. So we'll see how tomorrow, they were all kind of down in after hours, so like I said, be really careful. Here it shows 16% lower, BlackBerry almost 10% lower, Nokia basically 10. So they were all down. I'm sure people were taking profits. I was reading, I can't remember what app it was, or maybe it was somewhere on Facebook, something in regards to Robinhood. It said it was over, and so I think a lot of those were selling out. But here's just kind of a look at Nokia. I mean, that nice spike that they had, and Nokia hasn't done squat for the longest time, but I mean, even Ericsson, I think, went up. That's another 5G play that I've thought about. I gotta click on this. If you follow me, you know I'm a big Mike Tyson fan. We'll see what that says here. I also heard, for those of you that follow Fubo TV, I think that one even ran up today, from what I heard. I haven't checked the price on it yet, but so, Fighting 100 Many Mike Tyson's the powerful influence of Reddit trade. And I just made a video about Express, 214%. Bed Bath & Beyond, 43%. Nokia, 38%. And that's another Nokia stock. Fireworks thanks to Reddit's and Wall Street Bets Forum. A few stocks have mooned the internet term for a big surge. Among them, video game retailer GameStop. And, wow. And I think there's others. In my other video, I believe there was about 10 different ones. And this I thought was kind of interesting. It shows Bed Bath & Beyond is being bullish now, but I don't know, we'll see. I don't know where it's going to stop. I read where they thought Bed Bath & Beyond would just go to 50, and that was about it. But maybe it'll go higher, and maybe I'll just sell half of my shares and just wait for the rest. But I've heard about this individual a couple different times today. Stocks making the biggest moves midday: GameStop, Bed Bath & Beyond, Carnival, and more. I haven't looked at Carnival, but I wonder if some of those are getting pushed up as well. And I kind of talked in my other video about National Beverage, Fizzy, McDizzy, and iRobot, and Carnival. I haven't not checked that one yet. Shares of the cruise operator slid 5% after the company provided an update of its future sailings as ship continued to stay docked amid the pandemic. That's just sad. It'd be awesome to go on a cruise. Tesla, I have not checked yet, gained 4% after investment firm Bird hiked its price target. And I think that's a little bit older information. Stock market news live updates. Stock sink after Fed decision. S&P 500 post worst session in 3 months. And that's another reason why I think the down everything was kind of, the S&P was kind of down, and I think that's another reason why some of them went down. And Boeing, that's what it was, took a lot of it down, so good job, Boeing. I did a Lockheed Martin video a while back, and I still have Boeing. I wish I would have bought right after the pandemic for about $90 and could have doubled your money, but Boeing just kind of pisses me off. But Federal Open Market Committee. But I think that's about all the information that I have. It just cracks me up still, but here, the S&P 500 traded lower 2.5%, pulling back from its all-time high hit reached Only a day early, the Dow also sank by more than 2% as shares of Boeing dropped after posting a record annual loss and booking additional charges over its delayed aircraft rollout. Well, that just sucks. Way to take it all down, Boeing. While GameStop more than doubled after closing, higher at 93% a day earlier. So again, ones I would be watching tomorrow is GameStop, AMC, Express, Koss, Bed Bath & Beyond, BlackBerry, NAKD Sundial, and Genius Brands. And I think that's the whole list, but anyway, I'm sure I'm way over on time. I thank you for watching. Have fun with these tomorrow, and we'll see if we can beat the crap out of the hedge funds again tomorrow. And put your Mike Tyson gear on and kick the crap out of them hedge funds and make them submit. If you haven't hit that like button yet, that would help me out immensely, as well as subscribing. I'm sorry I can't talk tonight. Blah, 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 blah. Anyway, I've been laughing too much about making all this information and putting it together and making a video. It just cracks me up. But anyway, I'll have fun tomorrow, and subscribe and hit the bell and wait for my other good videos coming out. Hopefully I won't be laughing so much on those, but you never know tomorrow. Who knows what'll happen. So the GameStop on the way to 1,000, and Bed Bath & Beyond stays at 50, and BlackBerry up to 20 or 30. Who knows what'll happen. So again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.